DMX body carried in a rugged truck for burial. Video of Odimoje threatening the late Adachizus surfaced online. Nollywood actress Chacha Ike released adorable photos after childbirth. Peter Okoye and Jude Okoye boast about their wed after separation and embarrassed his MC after asking him to dance on his wedding. My crack people them, how una day? Una welcome back to my channel. If una day new, una welcome. If una day old, una super welcome. Alright, I baby, una just help me look down. Me una see that subscribe button. Me una just help me knock that subscribe button small. Subscribe to this channel and I beg. Don't forget to say at all on iPad pass. You supposed to ring that bell, ring, so that anytime when I upload video, you will be among the first people we go get notification. Alright, so my crack people them. So until today to read the first story wa wana kuna na about Owambe people hey Owambe people, grooms, ladies and gentlemen, MC Bobo Tibo. My cry people them person do wedding no. As you do wedding, they say what did they call MC? They say na MC na be master of occasion. So for this occasion, the MC go if you say be master of occasion, you no say ha. Hey, that one you know even near master at all. So my cry people them now gone they like oh God, they talk. Why you know they dance now? Dance. What's that dance now? Then the man come call him mic. Give the MC serious warning.
I get many guys when they come from away. Break it down. Once I'm ready, I'm going to stop. I'm going down. Okay, let's go. Okay, so read that. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Okay, just get it. You don't want to dance, right? Okay, come forward. Please come forward. Don't worry. Come and dance. Come and sit down, sorry. Amadia, come and sit down. Come and sit down. Okay, you dance, right? Oh, no, shoot. He's jealous. Go. Join him. No.
As you give the MC serious, you know be small to you. And they think on the trend everywhere because a lot of people know say na MC na be master of occasion and all those kind level. Say that day na then own the occasion and then go give directives and all that. And at all na impact pass. If you know the dance, you go ever later you say dance, so you know supposed to warrant warning. As far as say you know insult you know hurt anybody and all that. So they think on the trend. People gonna tell say this woman go hear him. Like even as that man do that thing, the woman was embarrassed. She confessed stand. And the man come go. I don't know what to tell her. You even tell him in a good tone. The woman come full her. She was not even happy. It was an embarrassment. Like, hello. Alright, my crack people, they might be more enter the next story. The next story I want you to know about Odumeje. We know say the one video on the trend of waiting in the talk. You know, before Adachizus come fall sick, although I'm about they come from different levels. Say at last on a bad part. Say this Adachizus sickness. Say she herself say the thing don't dey her for long. Say no be today night it starts. But video don't surface. All video of Odumeje they vow, they swear, say that person where they always they talk about them for Facebook, they talk this about them. Say when they go start to deal with the person, that the thing not only affect the person, but go affect the person generation. And when I remember the time where Adachizus go and her family to go back to Odumeje, where even Rita Edoche been there, Odumeje told us say this is just the beginning. So when he finish with Adachizus, he will enter her generation. But some people they just say, I bet me go sit down. So it's making an empty vessel that is making the loudest noise. Some people say, they value their kitten you, so they don't want to talk about yourself. My correct people, them last now Baba God they know, or than him inflict the sickness on her, and be the thing just come like that. See, well, my correct people, them as I've been here even for that same video when that Jesus been still there alive, where they carry her go back to the jail. I hear the doctor say that pastor say me they go back and.
And all you that speaking what you don't know about families of lion and about me, one day I will settle you. As I promise to the great God, your mission is to make sure that they begin to criticize and speak against the Lord Almighty. You can't stop a moving train. The only thing, no human being gave me power, and my power is not from the idol. And I have never kneeled down before any man of God or before any shrine or anyone say, pray and lay hands on me. I was anointed from the above. I have never done miracle fake. I have never stayed one day discuss anything with anybody how to package miracle. If you know that you are the one that give a fake testimony and I pay you to give that testimony before this altar, provide yourself in Facebook. And you that said it, when I'm done with you, with my father, he tells me, and I begin small for your generation. And no one stopped me when I begin a fight. If you want to joke with the peoples around you. Don't joke with a man you don't know how he begins. And that is a lion for you. One name. Anya Aputago.
So nobody know the roots, maybe not from there. I don't know my correct people them. Now on top that I don't know my trust. Now say more dive enter the next story. The next story now still about person we don't buy our superstar musician where they call and say DMX in burial. My correct people them they carry for rugged truck. Now no say DMX now rugged Baba they carry for rugged truck. My correct people them see people gather with super bikes, all manner of correct bikes. Oh my God. Oh my God, the honor is just on another level. Yeah. Oh, it's well you. People then for the next story where I want yarn una no say Peter Okoye been done go get interview with Hip TV where in con yarn them say at all and bad pass the jollification we get for life now, so the thing they on another level. And in terms of money, say the money they enter and like say tomorrow no day, because he know they share them with anybody. He say if you get 100,000, now that same 100,000 now in the enter for in pocket, you know they share the money with anybody. All right, so my correct people them now, so you know even tell in brother we being elder brother we they call us say Jude Okoye now he come they showcase in house you come they showcase the poolside concert for the corners of him flashy expensive cars now picky shows now I come they say maybe him I want see she'll say I told her I'm bad pass. Don't think you're the only one doing well. Alright, my people then, even as Peter says doing well and people the snap like this, go and settle. But people get mind you. I know just have it. I don't know Shan. I know George. I don't know what happened between them, but I know sure say I fit keep my list with me. In fact, if any of my siblings do waiting no sweet my belly, waiting I feel do be say I feel just like know how go they relate with you to avoid problem. I go just know how to deal with you and all that. But to they keep my list, say me and you no go talk again, I no go come your house, you no go come my house. No, I no fit. See, but not the least. Now, Nollywood actress, what they call and say Chacha Ike Fanny. My great people don't know say Nollywood actress Chacha Ike Fanny. She done born you. What is she born? A bouncing baby girl. My great people then immediately she born for inside hospital. Now she and her darling husband they come snap photo, they come post, share with us their fans. Alright, my great people them know be smart, you know. Just some few months ago, when I know say their marriage been done get serious crisis, we be say they almost separate. Within bring that crisis, now Chacha Ike herself, now carry her leg come outside, come to say say wait, no, say she go tell her story, go to all those kind of levels. But the thing that be say they don't settle, and when I know say get time, we be say Chacha Ike she can't dey born, she can't allow motherhood, all those things can't dey overwhelm her. We be say she no even can't they dress again, she just can't they snap a picture, they do anyhow, you know, she just want to be herself, she just want to be real, she just want to be this, she just want to be that. But at the end of the day, they blame. Maybe everybody can point fingers on say her husband no dey take care of her, this one and that one. So Chacha Ike don't change pattern. As God don't make her celebrity, she don't accept her with her full chest. So she don't change pattern now. She don't do like other celebrities they do. So before she born, she don't do her photo shoot, but in a baby shower, I mean what they do. Don't do photo shoot. She and her family then dress, wear flashy clothes. So I believe that she don't learn from her lesson. Whether I be celebrity or you no be celebrity, I know say motherhood can be very overwhelming, especially when you are a career woman. But a lot of time bad parts, we'll try our possible best. We'll not allow me the thing overwhelm us to the extent we say we will lose ourselves. Because at the end of the day, people when they say now her husband, nobody really know. I can't really say, but then her husband, I mean she herself say that now stress, family stress, being a mother and being an actress is not easy for her. And true, myself will be mother and then even get a number of children when she gets. I say this is a I'm bad person, you know, easy, you know, juggling all those things and also a career is not easy, especially there where they be say they be actressing their own self even worse. Alright, my correct people, demo now here where I go rest in my case, yo. When I stay beautiful, una bye.